Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. So today's post is to share with you BurdaStyle January 2019. Just doing a browse through. This popped through my letterbox a couple of days ago, and so I've had two lovely evenings to browse through, look at the patterns, consider what I have in my fabric collection, and come up with some items that I wanted to make. So do remember to stay tuned until the end to find out what I'm going to be making, and I'm just going to share a few thoughts on this issue. So I've actually decided to buy the BurdaStyle German issue simply because I like the location of the pattern sheets. Unlike in the English translated version, the pattern sheets are stapled in the middle of the issue, whereas with the German ones, there's like an envelope at the back where you sort of slot your pattern sheets in. So I've decided I kind of like that better as opposed to the other one. So this is the German issue, obviously. Now, my thoughts on this issue are that it doesn't quite have the stellar hero pieces. I mean, there is that long designer jacket, but I still didn't feel like it wowed me as much as the January 2018 issue did. And I also kind of felt like there were a few repeated patterns from the last 12 months in there, particularly the t-shirt top. I think that was style number 113. That reminds me of the t-shirt from the February 2018 issue that I also made, which had like a drapey style. I really loved this raglan sleeve shirt dress, and I'll definitely be making that in the spring. But in terms of what I'm going to be making, I quite like the style of this shift dress, style number 111. I like that neckline. And for the fabric, I knew immediately that I'd be using this knit fabric. It's probably a viscose knit that I picked up from B&M Fabrics a few weeks ago actually. It's textured because I'm trying to include a little bit more texture in my wardrobe, and it's got like it almost has a boucle look to it, but it isn't. Obviously, it's a knit fabric, and I just thought that it would be perfect for this pattern. And it's quite interesting that the side seam doesn't actually lie underneath the arm in the normal way. So I'm quite excited to see how this is going to turn out, and it looks like it's an easy make. The other thing that I'd really like to make if I have time is the jersey dress number 114. It's a very, very simple style, obviously, and it's got some 70s vibes to it. And in terms of the fabric for it, I have some viscose jersey, which I bought from Lucky Fashions in Dewsbury. It's quite some autumnal colors, and I think it's got the right drape for it. But again, this is kind of like an if I have the time to make it, but definitely I should hope to have the time to make it. So those are my plans in terms of what I'm going to be making for January 2019 from BurdaStyle magazine. I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't already for new sewing related videos every week. And until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.